Joseph, nag-stay siya sa ilalim ng water hanggat hindi lumaalis si Mami Sandy. What if 1 hour sa ilalim ng tubig, si Mami Sandy nakipag-usap kay Nicole, eh di 1 hour kang nakasisid na gano'n. Joseph?
Hindi, I was practicing lang kasi may
Yung ano mo, sisid skills. Underwater, kung gaano kakatagal makakastay sana pala Mami Sandy nag-stay ka dun 1 hour, di ba? Malay natin, baka naging green na si Joseph pagka na dun. Okay. What? Nahiya ka ba kay Mami Sandy?
No.
No?
That time? I don't remember.
But now?
No naman.
Are you guys okay? Parang nahiya ka eh.
No. No.
No? So okay na sila. Okay. Yun na, okay na kayo. What was the most memorable moment niyong dalawa sa loob ng house? Una ka na, Joseph.
Para sa akin, yung most memorable siguro yung na-nominate kaming dalawa ni Nikki with Kevin. Tapos, yung pinapack na sa amin ni Kuya yung gamit for eviction night. Tapos parang may rose ako nun. Tapos sabi ko kay Beauty na i-request niya kay Kuya na mag-play ng song. Pagpunta ko sa room, nagpapack na si Nikki nun. Tapos yun, sinayawan ko si Nikki nun. Tapos,
I know. Last chance yung song, diba? Is that
I don't remember, pero yeah, yung Last Dance.
I'm sure you would remember it was Last Chance by Allure. Yun, diba? Ikaw, Nicole, what was the most memorable moment that you guys had inside the house? I know na marami kayong mga talks.
Siguro yung very first talk. Kasi yung week before that, ako lang yung house